Nakakalungkot. Ano
Baka nakakalungkot yun na parang
Ilas natin yung nakakain.
sige, nakakatawa. Yung nakakalungkot po, itong the same show po, yung More sa Gate sa Araneta 2018. So, tinutur po namin ito. So, nadala po namin ito from Manila, nadala namin sa Cebu, sa Davao, and sa Dubai. So, pagdating po ng Dubai, akala ko okay ako. Pero, one of, I guess, red flag na rin, kumbaga, parang we were there during the hottest time here in Dubai, which was August, September. Pero like, conditionally yung voice ko, okay naman, okay ako, I was able to ano. And so we had openers, nag-perform po sila, and then ako habang nag-warm up, pinapakinggan ko sila, kanta-kanta, and I sang along with them. Imagine niyo po, like 10 minutes right before my first song, na-realize ko na pawala yung boses ko. Many factors siguro po. Wala talaga kaming ma-pinpoint, pero siguro combination ng weather, siguro pagod from the travel na hindi ko na, naman siguro na ano lang ko ng adrenaline. Pero grabe po yung moment na yun na parang kakanta ka, sasabay ka, tapos biglang, ano ito? Parang ano po ito, syempre 8 years into doing this, di ba? Parang okay naman lahat. Ano itong nangyayari ngayon? Tapos ang ginawa ko, kasi wala na po talaga, wala nang lumalabas sa boses ko. Tapos alam na po ng audience na parang, bakit delayed tayo sa paglabas ng first product ko? Like, bakit hindi ba? Napapanis na kami sa likod. Siyempre, we had to decide, ano ba, itutuloy ba natin to? Ano bang pwede natin solution? And so, nag-take po ako nung meron kami tinatawag ko na parang emergency pill. Basically, it's steroids. It's for the voice. Na parang kahit hindi po okay yung boses mo, by taking this for a while, parang babalik siya. And so it was really just to get through the performance. Pero nag-take po ako nun. Pero it takes po kasi about an hour to 2 for it to fully kick in. And so medyo ano na po ito, late na po talaga, delayed na po yung event. Lumabas po ako ng stage. Hindi pa yung music, lumabas po ako in my outfit. Sabi ko, I'm sorry. Alam ko po na hindi ito yung opening na inasahan nyo na lumabas ako. Pero out of nowhere, explain ko po na nawalan ako ng concert. Pero itutuloy naman po natin yung concert. Ang ask lang po namin is mag-ano lang po, like, you have a little bit of patience just so that the meds can kick in. And I was also just very...
Sinabi mo rin sa kanila yun?
Sinabi ko po talaga. Kasi syempre ayoko naman po I mean, I think that would be a better solution rather than hindi talaga yung tuloy. Because it was like so many, na parang ano ba nangyari. I was also just very fortunate na yung guest po na kasama namin is like shout out si Sam Concepcion. And he was my special guest. Na-surprise kumbaga. Pero I asked Sam, is it okay if you can sing muna a few more songs before tayo officially will start ng concert? Para lang may time na mag-kick in minutes. And so he was super game. And so I'll always be thankful for Sam for saying yes. He sang a couple songs and then finally, na-push po namin yung concert. Na siguro, kung originally at the start of the show, before ako nag-take off, my voice was at maybe 10%, 8%. It was bumped up to siguro mga 7%. And then
Pero hindi pa rin 100%.
Hindi po talaga nagbawas na po kami ng mga kanta din. Pero tinuloy pa rin po namin. Pero like for me, it's yung mga moments na gano'n na parang nakaka-trauma siya. Kasi yung parang akala mo okay ka naman. Tapos mangyayari po yung mga gano'n. Parang gusto mo lang naman enjoyin yung ginagawa mo. Tapos biglang may gano'n na nakakakaba naman. So nakakaano po siya. But I think at least finish through pa rin po namin and we're just very happy na yung mga kababayan natin sa Dubai, like sobrang supportive pa rin po nila. And then, naitawid naman po. Pagkatapos, wala na po ako boses.